Good morning, my dear students. In the last class, I discussed the introductory part of HTML. Today, I'm going to discuss, yes, the tags which will help you to write the code in your notepad. Now, what are the tags? First one is your HTML. Next one is head. Third one is the title. Fourth one is base font. Fifth one is comment. So these topics are very, very important, my dear. Understood? Now, first of all, I will discuss about the HTML. You know, this is the first step. This is the first step. Whenever you want to have your HTML document, then you must have to use your first tag as HTML. I'm going to show you, my dear. So first of all, I will go to Notepad. Okay. Now, here I'm going to use first HTML. Now, the second one is your head. And you all know head contains one tag which helps you to give the title of your web page. That is title. Now, welcome to my first page. Okay, now I'm going to use slash title because your title is container tag, and then I must close head tag. Now the next part, that is the body one. Body contains many attributes. Your attributes like busy color, background, a link, v link, link, top margin, bottom margin, many are there. Okay, so I will discuss later on this one. So let me first discuss the main part, that is the structure. Slash body and then slash HTML. Now my structure is almost completed, my dear. Now what the thing that is going to be displayed on the web page, that I'm going to use inside the body tag. So what is my first one? That is base font. Students, you all are knowing that base font, when you use in your HTML, then it is going to change all your default settings like style, like color and size. I will show you. Just you see here. By default, what is your color? Black. Okay. By default, your size is 3. You know? Okay, let me write it. Let me write it so that you can understand. I'm going to use paragraph tag. You will learn tags of HTML. Now, when I use this paragraph, my dear, it means that it will have the color black and the size as 3. It is fixed, my dear. Now, I'm going to apply the base font. Now, in base font, I'm going to use the color as not black, green, and size as suppose 5. And then paragraph, and then container tags, and now non container tags I've used. Now I'm going to use the slash. Okay, slash body already I use. Now you see, my dear, these two parts will be shown in this text, but base font says that I will now have a new color and size for rest all the text which is going to be shown on the web browser. That means container will have the color green and size as 5. Same way for the non-container tools. Okay. Now, students, one thing please keep it in mind. The color which I have defined here for the base font, yes, that will be applicable in both. But nowadays, whichever the web browser that you are using, my dear, these web browsers will not support this color, green, and size. Understood? That means latest web browser ignores this one. Clear? So I will run and show you. Maybe it will not work because I am having the updated web browser. Okay, let me try first. Let me close the base font. Now I'm going to show. Maybe I think it will not work. Okay, I'm going to save this one as hello or first dot html. Maybe it will not work because I'm having the latest web browser. So open with, yes, Google Chrome. Yes, as I already said, it will not work because I'm having the updated web browser. Okay, but you have to know this will show your black color, size will be 3. And when you will use this one, your color will be changed and now you'll be having the color as green. Okay, now my next topic is regarding the comments. Okay, now how you will add the comments? First, you have to know what is comment. Comment is non-executable statement which is never entertained by the web browser. So if you have written any text inside the comment, it is not going to work on the web browser. Okay, only you can see in the source code. If you want to add comments, first of all, you will use angular bracket, exclamation mark, and then you write your comments. It contains information related to HTML, and then close it. Now, when you will save this and run this one, you will not be able to see your comments there in your web browser. See, it is not showing. So why we use comments? If suppose you are having, yes, a lengthy coding, that means a big, that means which is having information of many topics. So in that case, time to time in between, you can use this comment one, so that whoever is writing this comment can understand that this is my information related to this topic. Understood? So in between you can have these comments. Now next part, that is your body section. Now I'm going to change the background color. So to change the background color, we will use busy color, and then suppose I want my background color should be red, and I want my foreground color to be changed. Please keep it in mind. The color that you are going to change for your foreground, that will be not done by the help of foreground attributes, because many of the students, they do this type of mistake. So you have to not do it. Instead of that, you have to use the text attribute. Now I want my text should be in a blue color. Now, what will happen? My background and foreground both will be changed. But base font will force you not to implement this one. Now, see here, my background is changed. My background is red and the foreground is blue. But when you will have your older version of web browser, then in that case you will not see this red color, sorry, the text foreground color, yes, as blue for the entire one. No, only it will have text blue for this one, but for these two it will have the color green if you are having the lower version of web browser. Clear? So please keep it in mind. But if in exams this type of question comes, then you will write this way. Clear? So what the difference between base font and font? You will say font is applicable only for the selected text, which is enclosed inside font and slash font. Okay. But when I'm talking about the base of font, it means it is going to be applied for your entire web page. But wherever you have specified the font tag, it is not going to be implemented on that one. Clear? Now I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you.